Hello everyone, welcome to IGCSE tutor room. This is me Sanjida and you are studying with Sanjida. Today we are going to know how to make nylon 66 and its use. This is a new chapter recently added in the new syllabus of 91 IGCSE specification, and so today we are going to do that. At first we have to know how to make nylon 66. This is a new small chapter. It is newly added, so we do not have to know more about it. Just its basic, how to make it and how to use it. How the uses of nylon 66. So how to make nylon 66? To make nylon 66, we need two things. It is hexane dioic acid, and another one is hexane diamine. Hexane dioic. Our first one is hexane dioic. Hexane dioic, and the other one is hexane diamine. These two is going to react together and form nylon 66. So let's see how these two is going to react together and forming nylon 66. We are going to learn that process by the state formula, by the help of the state formula. So let's start. I have drawn the formula for hexane dioic acid, and now we are going to shorten the formula. Let's see how to do it. We are just going to keep the black, their functional unit same, that is OOCOOH. And what we are going to do is we are going to, for all this CH2, for this 4CH2, we are going to take a symbol, any symbol. You can take a rectangle, you can take a heart, you can take a circle, anything on earth you want. So let us join them at first. CH2, and we have 4CH2. So 4CH2, and then again our functional unit COOH. Now it is our turn to symbolize the CH2 4, 4CH2. So H, I'm taking it as a rectangle, symbolizing it as rectangle. Sorry, my rectangle is not perfect though. Okay, so these four CH2s are represented as this rectangle. This rectangle. So we are done with hexane dioic. Hexane dioic is shortened and its real form to react. Now we are going to see what's happening with hexane diamine. There is our hexane diamine. We are going to draw it down. Okay, so as it is hexane diamine, it has an amine group attached to it. So we are going to give it amine group at first. And we have 6 CH2s. Let me change the color so that it will be 5 and the last one. Again, we have another amine group. Okay, let me just write it again. And okay. So, like we did with hexandioic, we are going to shorten all the 6CH2s in hexandiamine as well. So, before we are shortening it, we have to make them together. Or here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 CH2s. So, make it close and 6. Okay, now we are going to symbolize this part only as any symbols on earth. Any symbol. It can be a circle, it can be a triangle, it can be anything on earth except this destroyed rectangle. So let us start. We have let me take a circle here. I know my circle isn't a circle and my rectangle isn't a rectangle, but still, we just assume that this is a rectangle and this is a circle, and we are representing 4 CH2s of hexandioic as a rectangle, and we are representing 6 CH2s of hexandiamine as circle. Now it is their turn. It is their time to react. So let us make them react. What we are going to do is we are just going to join them up. At first, I am writing the dioic acid part, dioic acid. Now our we have plus our hexadiamine group. We are putting hexadiamine here. Here, fortunately, we have a circle options as well. Okay, now my one is perfect circle and perfect rectangle. Okay, so it's the time to react. Okay, before making them react together, it would be easier if we put them into their displayed formula. It would be easier. So let me put them into their displayed formula. Okay, so COOH displayed formula is C double bond O. And we have OH here. We have another COH here. Double bonded O. Okay, So we are done with our hexane dioic. What we have done is just we have shown the displayed formula of the functional units of hexane dioic. Here is our displayed formula. Now we are going to show the displayed formula of amine, hexane diamine. So displayed formula for hexane diamine is only N and 2H. Here is H and here is H. Okay, so another N, H. Okay, so it will be pretty much simple now. Now let us try. What we are going to do is, at first we are going to remove some H and OH. We are going to remove all the H and all the OH. H, OH, H, and H. Okay. And next, we are just going to join them up. That is all. We have got a 966. We are joining them up. Okay, starting from hexane dioic part. Okay, so we don't have any more OH here or any more H for hexane diamine, so we are just joining them up and taking a different color for hexane diamine. Okay, we are joining them up. And we have only one H for hexane diamine as well. So all the H, all the OH, OH, H, and H, they are removed. So what we are going to get is water. So we are just adding water here. But okay. Now most probably we are going to get 2 droplets of water H2O. We are going to get 2 droplets of water. Okay. So let us see once again what we have done. We take hexane dioic, we write down hexane dioic as CH at first. So COOH for hexane dioic. We have the functional unit COOH, and then we write down the remaining C carbon atoms of hexane dioic. That is, we have 4 carbon atoms attached with 2 hydrogen each time. Then we write down in the next line, we again write down the same functional unit, and we have just make them sum up. We have a sum up of CH2s here. So as we have 4 CH2s, we write down CH2 and 4. That means there are 4 CH2s. Okay. At last what we have done is we just select a symbol for 4 CH2s. I selected rectangle, you can select anything, any symbol on earth. Okay. Next we have what we have drawn the hexane diamine. So for hexane diamine we have 2 functional groups as well, that is NH2, NH2. Okay, and then we have remaining 6 CH2s, 6 carbon atoms attached with 2 hydrogen each time. So we write at the next line, we just write down the functional group NH2, and we just as like we did before, we just make a sum up of 6 CH2s, that is CH2 and 6, that means there are 6 CH2s. And we represent, or we can say we symbolize CH26 as a circle. We just symbolize, just we are assuming that CH26 is a circle. Okay, next what we have done is we have joined the hexane dioic and hexane diamine in their displayed structure. So there is we have hexane dioic and here we have hexane diamine. We have just joined them up. Here is the trick. What is the trick? That we have removed all the OH, H, and H, and we have just joined up the remaining. We just joined up the remaining, and this colorful compound, this is a nylon, and the leftover products, that is 1H, 2H, and 2OH, they make two droplets of water. So we are just going to write them down. It is hexane dioic. Okay, selecting in a red color, hexane dioic. Hexane dioic plus hexane diamine. Diamine. And we have nylon 6. Plus water. So we get our desired product, that is nylon 6. And in IGCSE, overall IGCSE, all questions are related to the drawing. So you may be asked to show how to make nylon 6. You may be asked to show just the display structure for nylon 6. So this is all related to nylon 6 chapter. And one more thing, that is the uses of nylon 6. Nylon 6, I think pretty much everyone is related to that. Nylon 6 is used to make ropes. Yes, ropes. That plastic type of ropes, which we use normally for drying our clothes in Asian countries. So let me write down the use of nylon 6. Where to write down? Where to write down? Okay, I'm writing down it here in a different color box. Okay, so uses of nylon 6. Used to make ropes. Okay. So yes, we are almost about at the end. Let us review everything once again. How to make nylon 6. We need two reagents for making nylon 6, that is hexane dioic acid and hexane diamine. So what we are going to do is, at first we are going to write down hexane dioic and we are going to write down hexane diamine. Then we are going to give a symbol for all the CH, 4CH2 for hexadiamide, and all the 6CH2 for hexadide, for all the, sorry, for all the 4CH2s for hexadioic and all the 6CH2s for hexadiamide. And then we are just going to remove OH and H from hexadioic and hexadiamide. We are going to join OH and H, and we are going to get two H2Os, and the remaining product, the remaining joint products is our desired product, that is nylon 6, and its use, nylon 6 is used to make ropes, and 6 is used to make ropes. That is all for today. But to give you bye bye for today. Till then, stay well, stay fine. Allah